Curiosity by Larry King. I think that's a powerful thought because truly success is defined by our ability to be open minded and curious about all of life all around us. And I think that's been one of the things that's been key to helping me learn how to manage my own healthcare and my rare bleeding disorder that I live with every single day is staying curious about the future, staying curious about what things I can do with my workouts or with my exercise or with my diet and with my treatment plans, my treaters, my providers. All of those things really make up a 360-degree lifestyle that really helps me to be able to continually improve the results and the outcomes that I am seeking for improvement over long periods of time. And so I'm really excited about an upcoming event that we have right around the corner, February 21st and 22nd, called Emerging Therapies. And I don't know if you're like me, but I'm kind of a science nerd. I don't know. I wasn't trained to be a doctor. I don't know all the details of some of these long words that really have more consonants than vowels and use up half the alphabet. I don't even know how to pronounce half of that stuff. But the bottom line is, if I'm living with this blood disorder called hemophilia or any of the rare bleeding disorders, there is a good chance that I'm going to be more expert at my own disease than most of the people I will encounter in my life, including clinicians. And so I think it's incumbent upon myself and us as a community to learn as much as we can and to try to put ourselves in a place where we have the opportunity for greater success in our total health and lifestyle outcomes. And so I want you to come hang out with me on February 21st and 22nd to talk a little bit more about emerging therapies. What does that mean? It means about things coming down the pike. It's talking about blood products. It's talking about infusion and injectables, but it's also talking about diet and exercise and all kinds of things that can really help improve your overall life outcomes while living with a rare blood disease. It is so critical that we get to know each other, learn from each other's experiences, but also get to learn from experts in these areas. And as an organization, a nonprofit that serves patient needs, one of the things I've found to be truly important is to be able to have a broad perspective, as much information as we can, so that we can learn and have a hopeful future, because it really is dependent upon our ability to learn as much as we can to be able to manage that. So come hang out with me. You can register right there on our website at Hope-Charities for this great event. I think it's going to be a blast. We're going to meet people from all over the country who are living with rare diseases, listen to some experts who have the science and the backing and the understanding of what's being researched back. Some of the studies that we'll be talking about are things that will be coming way down the line, but they're very, very important. I can remember as a kid, I was told that I was going to get a pill by the time I was my age now that would solve all of my problems. And unfortunately, there isn't one. I'm still using something that's an injectable medication to try to manage my bleeding disorder. You probably are too. And we want to make certain that you have all the information so that you know what's available now, but also what's available coming down the line. So join me for this incredible event. It's going to be a blast. You can register again right there on our website or click that QR code up above, and it'll take you straight into the registration form so you can come and hang out with us. We're going to have a lot of sessions. You only have to register once. You can get access to everything. Once you do that, we'll send you the links. You can click on it from your phone, your tablet, or your PC and join in the conversation. The best part is the Q&A. You can ask questions to the experts so that they know how to be able to help you with some maybe specific questions about information that might be important to you. But I've actually asked a friend of mine who's going to be speaking at this event, Guillermo, who is really an expert on gene therapy. And I think this is a great opportunity. He wasn't able to join me today for this little video, but I wanted to go ahead and get him get you some of the information that he's going to be talking about. So I've asked him to record a quick video for us to share some of his thoughts about his presentation he's going to be doing. So take a listen to this. And while you're listening, make sure you go down in the comments and click on the link in the description and go ahead and register while you're listening to this. But this is a great, I want you to take a minute just to hear from Guillermo to talk a little bit more about what he's going to be talking about with gene therapy. It's really, really interesting and exciting stuff that I think will spark your curiosity. Take a listen.
Hello, my name is Guillermo Campillo, and I'm a proud member of the Spark Therapeutics patient advocacy team. At Spark, we aim to unlock the power of gene therapy to accelerate healthcare transformation. We are focused on developing gene therapies for many conditions, including hemophilia. As a patient education liaison, my goal is to foster connections and share valuable insights between Spark and the hemophilia community. In Spark Advocacy, our commitment lies in offering patient-focused educational opportunities, particularly about gene therapy research. I'm excited to announce our participation in Hope's virtual Emerging Therapy Conference, where we've been invited to present Introducing Investigational Gene Therapy Clinical Trials for Hemophilia. Join us on Wednesday, February 21st at 2:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for this session. During our presentation, we'll discuss the journey of investigational gene therapy clinical trials for hemophilia, and we'll aim to provide patients and care partners with a comprehensive understanding of their purpose, how they're conducted, and how to access more information about them. I look forward to connecting with you during this insightful session. You can register for this conference at hopeforhemophilia.org. See you there.
Thanks, Guillermo. That was great. And we are looking forward to seeing you. Many people might know that Guillermo is a good friend of mine we've known for a long time, and he's a community member himself. So he really understands what the needs of the people living with this bleeding disorder are all about. So keep in mind that we are going to not only have an opportunity to hear from the best leading experts, but you'll get an opportunity to connect with more people like me, maybe like Guillermo, who are living with these same challenges and are having to educate ourselves about this information. So we're living in the future now. Who knows where we'll be in 10 years? This is so important, and we really want you to carve out some time to be with us. We're going to have a load of fun while we do it. Why do anything if you can't have fun? So we're going to be giving gift cards away and prizes and raffles and all kinds of stuff. And it's going to be a fantastic time for this whole event. I want to say a big thank you to Spark Therapeutics for sponsoring this event. It's going to be a great time hearing from them. There's a plethora of other opportunities. You're going to be able to hear from all kinds of experts, and you can learn more about those experts and their presentations on our website. You only need to register once to be able to get all of the access to all of the sessions that we're going to be doing live. And so make certain that you do this. This information is not going to be made available to you later. You got to join live to be able to participate. So even if you're at work and you have some time, maybe a lunch break or something, you put it on and jump in for a session. We want you to come and participate and be a part of it. Once you register, we'll send you all the information you need. So definitely come and hang out with me, as well as Guillermo and a lot of our other friends, to be able to talk a little bit more about how to live a successful future while living with a bleeding disorder. It's imperative upon all of us that the secret of success is an absolute ungovernable curiosity, like Larry King said. And I certainly hope that you choose to come and join us and hang out with me during this great event. Thanks so much for watching today, and we look forward to seeing you there. Go register right now. Register soon. You can't miss out on this. It's going to be great. See you there.